Hi, I am Yarvish Shankar Raj. Today I am going to present about the implementation of Enterprise 2.0 for the subject Information and Content Management. What is Content Management System? The Content Management System, every so often be shortened as CMS, is a software that brings about the conception and alteration of digital content. It is generally used for huge business content organization and web content organization. The advantages of using CMS: enable users to build efficient pages or publish and edit content themselves. It also allows multiple users who can give necessary idea into your content. The design modifications are made. The user will be in control of everything. This is how the CMS works. Introduction of the organization. Dell is a company that supplies goods and services such as hardware and software equipment. This organization mainly produces laptop and desktop type of gadgets for the clients, and it is a multinational company working with more than 30,000 employees. The present CEO of this company is Michael Dell. As a quality assurance manager in Dell organization, my department of IT director have given me a project which is to make a presentation explaining the benefits of Enterprise 2.0 system and the ways to implement it to my organization. Through this project, there are some issues that need to be concerned. For instance, how to improve the standard documentation within the organization and how to facilitate group work. What is Enterprise 2.0? The Enterprise 2.0 is a deliberate incorporation of Web 2.0 technologies into an initiative's intranet, extranet, and business development. Enterprise 2.0 is a combination of web-based applications, for instance, SharePoint Workplace, Facebook, Twitter, and other individual sites. It helped to arrange and share data for the user where they could find or discover any source of information that been posted or displayed through the web application. Certain company consuming YouTube for video logging or else a remote Facebook group into an improved intranet. For a case in point are executing a method of the Enterprise 2.0. The advantages of Enterprise 2.0. The advantages of implementing Enterprise 2.0 web technology in Dell institution. I would advise to the director of IT department to develop a SharePoint workplace which will enable the staff to handle their daily work routine easily. This model purpose is to provide user to share files instantly regarding working activities, emphasis on OneDrive sharing file to look over who viewed the information for keeping the data safely without accessing by unknown individual, and many more. This is one of the example of SharePoint Workplace. Another benefit of implementing this Enterprise 2.0 web technology in Dell organization, as a quality assurance manager, I would suggest to the director of IT department that Enterprise 2.0 technology tool where help the users to communicate with clients such as solving problems related to product and service easily. The reason is this technology eventually help the organization to globally be strong institute within some competitive company by promoting and displaying the goods and services offered via social networking such as Facebook for users to know the quality of products. Perhaps it also attract the clients to purchase the item that being posted through social networking. This is an example of social workplace. to improve the standard of documentation within the organization. It is crucial that each and every organization need to develop their work performance and manage their work-based activities skillfully. The reason is to make certain to create the excellence of work, developing greater and to keep up the company status from low to high grade. The example of the requirement given above. Using Office Graph. This benefit states Microsoft has widely transformed interest in device learning creation, which is Office Graph. The Office Graph creates the consumers to conserve their time and seek the data effortlessly over consuming the SharePoint workplace. The data that has been shared or entered on the SharePoint workplace grants the consumer to manage their work-based activities skillfully and without difficulty. Hold on to trails of the company information being updated on a regular basis and the accessibility at any time. Share file to any person who is not in the organization despite creating an account. Company staff can share files to their clients safely without creating an account. The files can be securely accessed documents with an easier email-based character confirmation process. It also allows managers to control over secure outside sharing and to keep track the shared documents. This helps the staff to send any company information such as goods and service easily to be viewed by clients easily and also provide business growth rate raised widely. File name creating. The current SharePoint software have made changes from the previous version, such as enhanced naming framework, which makes record names substantially more straightforward for clients to get it. By creating this file name, helps the user to search the documents easily and keep track the documents have sent to the clients. This is the important specification to improve the standard of documentation within the organization professionally. To facilitate group work, each organization is required to train a facilitating group work to manage their everyday tasks to perform in a healthy direction. Simplifying group work will improve the performance of the staff and facilitate them to work in a well-organized group. Examples on the requirement above. Track the duration and note down report on the purpose of customer's call. The staff could make use of spreadsheet or SharePoint workplace software to actually record or track the duration period of call while script down a simple description when customer calls the company to find out about the goods and services. It will keep up the company's service quality in a thriving direction, plan and unravel customers' problem concerning the goods that has been retailed to them. Furthermore, the organization as well can follow up the same customer's information to cooperate simply when with the issue. Information file gathering. Each staff has to do compiling on the information and documentation they handle daily for the others in the group working can get access to whenever they need it. This will support the group work to get managed easily by one another and they can update on it and keep track of their work. SharePoint Workplace in the long run assists the organization worker to stock records or documents of the data file with no trouble. In conclusion, each and every single organization has necessity to implement the web technology called Enterprise 2.0 to manage their work skillfully and resourcefully. The implementation will improve each organization business development and creates decent value of work performance in every employee. The Microsoft SharePoint software fetches a lot of benefit which allow the customer to work effortlessly and their company documents and files very securely. Furthermore, the web technology can be gained access to at any time by the consumer to find or insert the information concerning work assignment. Thank you.